Did you know there's a bird that's basically a master of illusions? The superb bird of paradise is tiny, but its courtship dance is unforgettable. When it wants to impress a female, the male flares out its iridescent feathers, creating a shape that looks almost like a glowing smiley face. It's like nature's own magic trick. But he doesn't just stand there. He hops from branch to branch, adding a rhythm to his movements and adjusting his display based on the female's reactions. Every flutter and pose is perfectly timed to keep her watching. By the end of the performance, the female decides whether she's impressed, and if she is, the courtship ends in success. It's one of the most incredible, mesmerizing displays you'll see in the wild.